Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fame Ebong, and in today's video I want to teach you guys how I made this very nice liquid soap at home. So what I'll be doing for you guys is that I will highlight my chemicals with their measurements, then I'll be telling you the role they play in liquid soap production. You need to understand the role each chemical play in liquid soap production. Once you can understand the role or their functions, what they do, you will notice that liquid soap will be very easy to make. So let's go straight into the production process and see how this is done. Over here are my chemicals. Over here is my sodium sulfate. I'm making use of 500 grams. Sodium sulfate is one of the things that will make your liquid soap to be thick, extra thick. That's what it does. So we will dissolve this in water and keep it aside for it to keep dissolving. I'm pouring water inside, and once I'm done stirring, I'll still keep it aside so that it will dissolve properly. Then here is my sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS. This is a foaming agent. This is one of the foaming agents we add in liquid soap. In liquid soap production, we have up to 3 or 4 foaming agents. SLS is one of the foaming agents. You know you want your liquid soap to foam or leather, so we need foaming agent. Then over here is my soda ash. I'm making use of 250 grams. Soda ash is a cleaning agent. This is this is one of the chemicals that will enable your liquid soap to remove stain. If you're using it to wash plates, wash clothes, or wash anything, it helps remove the stain. Then another cleaning agent is our caustic soda. I'm making use of 25 grams. Caustic soda also aids in the removal of stains. It plays the same role alongside soda ash. So I'm dissolving it in water. Those are the cleaning agents we are making use of in this video. Then here is the Texapon. I'm making use of 500 grams. Texapon is a foaming agent. It helps the liquid soap to leather alongside the SLS, which is the sodium lauryl sulfate. Like I said before, in liquid soap production, we add a lot of foaming agents and a lot of cleaning agents. Then over here is the sulphonic acid. We are making use of 1 liter. Sulphonic acid is a foaming agent. It helps your liquid soap to leather. You can see I am telling you each chemical and their measurements with their purpose, what they will bring to your liquid soap, what they will do to your liquid soap. That is what I'm doing so that you can understand this better. I'm dissolving my Texapon and sulphonic acid together in water. You can see I've added water and I'm stirring. It's as simple as that. This is very simple to make. You dissolve each chemical that I'm showing you. If you want to produce this at home, just dissolve every chemical I dissolve, follow the method, and you produce a very nice liquid soap. Then over here is our preservative. I'm making use of sodium benzoate, 20 grams. Use sodium benzoate. Don't use formalin. Formalin is not really a good preservative in liquid soap. Use sodium benzoate. It's a very nice preservative. Or you can use methylparaben. Either sodium benzoate or methylparaben. Those are very good and nice preservatives. Then this is our nitrosol. I'm making use of 170 grams. Nitrosol is a thickener. It's what gives the liquid soap that thickness. Now I'm making use of fragrance. I used mango and orange mixture. It's a very nice smell. Just get mango and orange and you will love it. Trust me. Use mango and orange for a liquid soap and you love the smell. So you want to produce 20 liters of liquid soap. Don't forget I have made use of some part of this water to dissolve my other chemicals. So what is left there is 17 liters. I had made use of 3 liters to dissolve my chemicals. So what is left here is 17 liters. We are making 20 liters of liquid soap. So I will pour my nitrosol directly into the water and I will keep stirring. When you are dissolving your nitrosol, make sure you stir it so that it will not form lumps. You can see I'm stirring it. Once I'm done stirring, I will add either my soda ash or my caustic soda. You can add any of them first. You can add your soda ash first, then your caustic soda next, or you can add your caustic soda first and your soda ash next. But here I added my soda ash first. Then what will come in is my caustic soda. When you are making liquid soap, add the cleaning agent first. Our cleaning agent here is the soda ash and caustic soda. Those are the first two things you will add your cleaning agent first before you now start adding your foaming agent. Maybe you can now add your sodium sulphate, which helps the liquid soap to be extra thick. It's as simple as that. It's not hard. First of all, you add your cleaning agent, you now add your foaming agent. You can see I'm done adding my cleaning agent. Now I'm adding my foaming agent. Sulphonic and Texapon are foaming agents. I have added it directly into my mixture and I'm stirring. This is very simple. It's very easy. Once you understand the method, that you have to first of all add your cleaning agent. Once you are done adding your cleaning agent, which is your caustic soda and soda ash, you now add your foaming agent before you can now add the rest of the other things you want to add. And this is another foaming agent, SLS. You can see it's simple, it's not hard. Liquid soap is very easy to make. Another name for liquid soap, or the real name for liquid soap, is called liquid detergent. This is a liquid detergent, but here in Nigeria we know it as liquid soap. But the proper name for this type of stuff we are producing is called a liquid detergent. This is not actually a liquid soap. This is a liquid detergent, but people popularly call it a liquid soap. Liquid soap is for bathing. We all know it as shower gel. That is the real liquid soap. That's the one for bathing. This is a liquid detergent because it's not for bathing. This is for washing dishes, washing cars, washing clothes, washing on every other thing. But this is not good for bathing because it has a lot of surfactants inside, which are not friendly to the skin. This is for washing dishes, washing clothes, cars, and every other thing. The real liquid soap, which you know as shower gel, that's the real liquid soap. Shower gel is the real liquid soap. But we have so much called this liquid soap till we are used to the name. We are now calling it liquid soap. This is called a liquid detergent. I hope you've understood me. Anything that you cannot bathe with is not a soap, it's a detergent. What you can bathe with is a soap. I hope you got the message clear. I know there will be a lot of argument after this video, but if you are wise enough, you understand what I'm saying. That anything you cannot bathe with is a detergent. As long as that thing can clean, but you cannot bathe with it, it's a detergent. But once you can use that thing and bathe without having any skin reaction, that is a soap. So the real liquid soap is the shower gel you know. Tablet soap, that is soap because you can use it to bathe. You can hear tablet soap. It's a soap because you can use it to bathe. This is the result after 24 hours. We produced this and we kept it for 24 hours, and this is how it looks like. You can see this is very thick. You can adjust it at this point. You can add extra water to reduce the thickness, or if you like it like this, you can use it like this. One thing about liquid soap is that, or liquid detergents, is that you can adjust it. If I add extra water to this, it will reduce the thickness. Then if I don't get enough foam or leather, I can choose to add a liquid foam booster at this point. Stir it will leather very well. If I don't have a strong fragrance, I can choose to add more fragrance at this point and it will have a stronger scent. So this is how it is. If I don't like the color, I can choose to add extra color to increase the color. You can actually adjust it. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to drop your comments, and see you all on my next video that I'll be dropping this week. Don't forget to subscribe. Very important. Goodbye and see you next time.